Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sai Nair from Kiran Advisors. I welcome you all to the virtual roadshow of Unisem Agritech Limited. To begin with, I would just like to give a very short intro about the company. Unisem Agritech Limited engaged in the critical sector of developing, processing, and selling a diverse range of hybrid seeds for vegetables, flowers, and field crops. The company has extensive product portfolio with 193 vegetable seeds, 10 flower seeds, and 8 field crop seeds. From the management side of the team, we have now Mr. Devakumar, the chairman and managing director.
Hello.
Welcome to the roadshow, sir.
Thank you.
We
Thank you,
have
sir.
Mr. Vijay Kumar Malgate, the vice president. Welcome to the roadshow, sir. From the merchant banking team, we have Miss Simran Karwa, the senior associate from GetFi. Welcome, ma'am. We also have Mr. Anil Tandon, the assistant manager from GetFi. Welcome,
Hello,
sir.
everyone.
Yeah. Now I would like to hand over the floor to Devkumar sir so that he can just provide a short journey about his company. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Devkumar,
Next slide, please.
yes, sir. Devkumar sir, you can go ahead and just speak a short journey about your company.
Next slide, please. Yeah.
Sir, should we also share the PPT?
Yes, that's what it
Okay.
is.
Sakshi ma'am, you can go ahead and.
Yeah, this is Unisem Agritech Limited, engaged in critical sector of developing, processing, and selling a diverse range of hybrid seeds for vegetables, flowers, and field crops. The core value proposition of this business lies in integrating conventional breeding techniques to produce hybrid seeds that offer superior qualities, specifically like including higher yields, improved product quality, and enhanced resistance to pest and disease compared to naturally occurring varieties. The company designs its products to meet the requirements of various agroclimatic conditions across different geographic regions. So extensively distribution network with more than 1,000 dealers and distributors across India, covering key states, north and south 16 states. Yeah, next please. Yeah, industry review. The seed industry plays the vital role in ensuring national food security and agricultural sustainability. The growth of the agriculture sector is significant to the national economy, with its GVA contributing 18.3% of the total economy as on 20 to 23. So going forward, India's seed industry will benefit from digitization, export expansion, and R&D-led hybridization, positioning companies such as Unisem Agritech we as key contributors to the next phase of agriculture productivity seed innovation. These are all basically because of rising hybrid seed adoptions among the farmers. So there is an increasing trends from the farmers for the hybrid seed usage to combat climate variability and maximize the yield. Government also supporting the giving the mini kits across across India to enhance the seed replacement rates and the farmers' income. There are huge export opportunities as India's position as the second largest producer of grains, fruits, and vegetables enhances seed export potential. And there is the government support and incentive policies also there, national seed policy, which emphasizes private sector participation, R&D, and certified seed promotions, through PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, PM formalization and micro food processing enterprises, PMKSY. So it's all to collectively to strengthen the agriculture input ecosystem. Next, this company overview. This Unisem Agritech incorporated in as a private limited, Unisem Agritech Private Limited on September 9, 2016, converted into a public limited company in March 2025. The company operates a comprehensive seed value chain that stretches from R&D, breeding, and to processing, quality control, and marketing. This integrated approach ensures the delivery of high quality seed tailored to diversified agroclimatic conditions across India. Mainly focus on hybrid seeds for key crops categories. Core operations focus on development, processing, and marketing of hybrid seeds, spanning vegetables, flowers, and field crops. So, especially hybridization, which enhances the yield, quality, and pest and disease tolerance, offering no farmers a superior crop performance. This normally seed production cycle no is from breeder seed to foundation seed, from foundation seed to commercial seed. This cycle begins with no developing hybrid breeder seeds by selectively breeding elite varieties, means parental lines, and identifying superior traits among them. These breeder seeds are processed into foundation seed, which form the essential parental stock necessary for hybrid seed production. Foundation seeds are then multiplied into commercial seeds through a large-scale production systems. So collaborates with contract seed growers through structured agreements, ensuring no quality complaints. Employs modern seed processing technology at the registered facilities. We have a very good processing technology plant. So to ensure the consistent quality and yield performance. Next. This is manufacturing process control. As I was mentioning, from nuclear or breeder seeds to it's a seed processing and conditioning. Next, third step is now quality control in seed conditioning, packaging, then storage, then transportation, and to next distribution channel. This is a manufacturing process. Yeah, next. Our product portfolio, no, like this, we have a vegetable seeds around 193 product segments, so driving most of the sales, and field crop seeds around 8 variants, and flower seeds we have around 10 variants. Especially in all these three last performances, when the revenue income generated from vegetables, it was 80 to 84%. Field crops it is 12 to 14%, and flower seed it is around 2%. Yeah, next. So the company's key strengths, so wide range of seeds and variants, extensive portfolio, so 193 vegetable seeds, and which enables customer retention and acquisition through diverse offering. Well positioned to introduce new products, leveraging existing network and expertise also. Experienced team of individuals. We have 161 member team with a diverse age and experience across industries, a strong capability to meet targets, and we have integrated seed processing unit with warehouse facilities and also DH code and cold storage. And in-house warehousing ensures timely supply for logistic efficiency, and it's located strategically to serve multiple market effectively. We have a robust R&D capabilities, so a dedicated R&D of high performance hybrid seeds, full-time qualified team with 27 acres of R&D farmland and lab facilities, continuous innovations to enhance seed performance and yield. We have diversified geographic presence. We have two regions like north region and south region. North we have MP, UP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. Even we have a distribution channel network at Himachal. And for the south, we have from Maharashtra it starts, and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Also towards east, we have West Bengal. Towards again towards west, we have Gujarat and Rajasthan. Yeah, we have experienced promoters and managements. The management team is agriculture technocrats, and with all the MSc graduates in agriculture, and having extensive deep knowledge and superior network and decision making ability. And also we have worked in different national and multinational companies prior to this company. Yes. So R&D, that R&D is a focus. We have 5 specified breeders supported by almost 50 R&D professionals and skilled workers. Around 5% of the turnover reinvested annually for the R&D with increasing trend. focus on developing high yielding hybrids with multiple disease resistance. This is very important aspect of the R&D. Combines traditional breeding with biotechnology tools for improved yield, quality, and resilience. So we have our research infrastructures and footprints like 27 acres of dedicated R&D farm and multiple R&D farms, more than 50 acres across key agroclimatic zones like we are at Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, even Agra. We have research stations. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, we have trial locations. And these locations now provide diverse testing environments for regional adaptability. And we have a modern seed processing and lab facilities, as I was mentioning, to ensure consistency and genetic stability also to continue with. So we have innovations, pipeline hybrids like this core R&D in like tomato, chili, bendi, cucurbits, and other vegetables. Use of genetic markers and QTL mapping for superior resistance and yield, and also for the genetic purity test. So collaborations with premier global research institutes to enhance germplasm diversity and hold multiple hybrid varietal registrations under national and authorities across all the states, wherever we are there in 16 states. Yeah, next. So Unisem Agritech seed processing and quality control, infrastructure ensures high purity, consistency, and operational efficiency, and from harvest to final packing. This strategically, the processing facilities located at Ranebennur, Karnataka, so where our registered office co-located, enables direct operational oversight and efficient coordination among all the departments. So processes, commercial seeds, so derived from the proprietary foundation material. We have a good equipments and technology, machineries, so lab machineries, and also we have a very good storage facilities, and also dehumidified cold storage. So quality control and validations in every stage, we have a quality control systems and the mechanism, multi-state stage quality checks, only validated lots approved for the sale and go for the packing, field to pack monitoring to ensure best agronomic practices by quality, so reduces contamination and ensures genetic and physical purity. Next. So we have all the license and the regulatory approvals across India. So this Unisem Agritech operates with full statutory compliance under the Seed Act 1966 and related state and central laws, holding multiple seed trade and factory license that enables seamless operations across India. We have seed and research licenses, valid licenses across all the states, state governments and departments. And also we have a recognition fund from Indian Institute of Horticulture Research Stations. And also we have recognized with DSIR. And these all the research varieties are now registered under Directorates of Agriculture in all the states wherever it's required as a compliance. And we are all the business and trade licenses are in place. We have a Udyam registration, and of course all the GST, TAN, PAN, all are complaints, and all are in the place. And especially the factory and environmental approvals are in place. Factory license is there, and pollution control board. So center of certificate of stability. So under Factory Act. So legal metrological registration for packing and labeling compliances. Yes, next. About promoters, we are five. Me, Dev Kumar, as a chairman and managing director, provides the fund, so foundational strategic visions and the leadership for the entire organization. This role crucial in steering Unisem's long-term objectives, ensuring the successful integration of its seed development, processing, and marketing strategies to drive overall corporate growth. Mr. B.H. Dev Singh Naik, the CEO, he brings around 15 years of direct experience, specifically within agriculture and seed industry. So including expertise in sales and marketing, qualified with a bachelor degree in science of agriculture. He is directly responsible for formulating strategies related to client acquisition, retention, and assessing new business opportunities. Mr. Ramlingan Venkatramana is a CFO. He's a veteran in agriculture input sector, contributing over 30 years of experience spanning seeds, pesticides, fertilizers. So qualified with master science in agriculture. His core responsibility lies in designing effective discount strategies, controlling cost effective like processing, building distribution network. Dhanendra Gowda is engineering graduate, serves as a old-time director, and he looks after operations and packing and business strategies and supporting and achievement of long-term corporate goals. Mr. Anil KN is a key member and a promoter group and serves as a full-time director. His direct operational involvement within the executive structures in vital for contributing to effective management decision making and ensuring the smooth and efficient functioning of the company's core business activities. Next. So financial overview, this 23, 24, 25. So 25, the top line revenue was 69 CR and bottom line was 4.27 CR. And H1 this year, 2026 H1, 51 already completed with 51.33 CR top line and bottom line 3.49 CR. Next. So we have no growth strategies. We have strategy, like Unisem Agritech, growth strategies centered about diversifying its product and market base, deepening dealers network, and driving operational excellence. The company continues to build a resilience and scalable business by strengthening brand equity and improving cost efficiency and strategically expanding into new crops and geographics, mainly venturing into new crops, diversified crop portfolio to reduce the dependency on the specific crops, exploring untapped market potential, which is potential across new crop and vegetable categories, targeting expansion when the market opportunities align with our strength. Next, expanding to new potential markets, entering to even international markets, which already started sales in Nepal, trial sales in Sri Lanka, and trials have given in African countries. So aimed at diversifying regional exposure and reducing dependency on the specific geographics also. So enhancing brand image, strengthening brand recognition and customer loyalty in the agri-seed industry, emphasis on superior quality, trusted products and market visibility, building a stronger brand presence through competitive pricing and also reliability. We are continuing to strive for cost efficiency, focused on improving operational effectiveness and economics of scale. So increase productions volumes and reduce fixed costs, thereby in, reducing our fixed costs, so which definitely enhances our margins. So efficiency gains directly passed on to the customers to maintain competitiveness and also to support them. Strengthening long-term dealer relationship. So prioritizing our dealers and customers satisfaction through timely delivery of and quality products. So deepening our dealers partnership to strengthen market presence, leveraging relationships to enter new geographies and expand our customer base. Next. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the detailed presentation, sir. So now we'll start with the Q&A session. I request all the viewers to write down their questions in the comment box. Sir, we have our first question from Shreya Desai. She's asking how diversified is your seed portfolio across crops and geographies?
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, sir, Miss Shreya Desai is asking how diversified is your seed portfolio across crops and geographies?
Yeah, we our crops we have many products in a particular crop. Like in a example, in a particular crop like chili, we have 12, 13, 14 products in one crop to fit on all the geographical areas across India. So segment wise we have a crops, segment wise we have products, segment wise we have like an analysis and also the surveys across India, and accordingly we go with our products and breeding and also for the sales of crops. we are operating across 16 states in India, in very major markets where our presence is exists. Yeah.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Shankar Panchal. He's asking, which crop categories contribute the most to your revenues today?
As of now, vegetables contributes more for the revenue. Going forward, we are adding our new crops, like means we existed crops with a new much more like larger quantities and larger area because of our existing network demand. We are going with field crops also like corn and paddy. So thereby every year there will be a growth of paddy and maize about 30-35% increase is there every year. So as of now, vegetables are taking major portion of the revenue.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Samar Dalal is asking what differentiates Unisem Agritech from other seed companies in India.
Yeah, this actually, most of the company, I cannot say this, but we are technocrats. Like all the promoters, management team is like agriculture graduates. We did our agriculture graduations and master graduations, and got experience in all the multinational and multinational companies across India, with core values of producing and breeding breeder seeds, and we have a very good breeding setup, and we have like separate entity like working as a partners means all the promoters are working at employees level also, like, and
On addition to that, I just want to tie in few more points. Like first thing that differentiate Unisem from other competition is the product line that we have. We have a huge variety of the vegetable crops which help us to mitigate all kind of crops into the different region, into the different geographics, into the different climatic condition as well. Second, the thing as Devakumarji told is the management all are relevant to the relative field only except of Mr. Dhanendra Gowda, but he also looks for our mechanism part into the operation area, in which his degree as a mechanical engineer also puts a very vital role for our day-to-day smooth operations. Third thing is that the company dealer and distributor base, as the company has 1,000 plus dealer and distributors, active dealer and distributor across India, it helps us to this cover a very huge level of geographical region and build a good network connection to distribute their seeds. The fourth one is that the continuous R&D that the company does, as the R&D is a very ongoing process in the company. Like after launching a new hybrid, also company do not stops at R&D. It looks for a better hybrid, and they do the back-end operations on their end and start developing the new hybrid to just compensate the future needs of the ongoing customers and launch the better product into the market.
Thank you so much for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Miss Nisha Barod. She's asking, who are your key competitors and how intense is price competition?
there are piece like national and multinational companies are there, and industry seed industry itself a huge industry, like almost 7.9 billion dollars size industry, seed industry, and huge opportunities are there. There are many like competitors across India, and for regarding pricing, it all goes with our product performance and also product branding, and to leverage our like product and branding. So relatively we compete, and initially whenever we give the production means produce like for the market, we give the initially we go with some certain discounts. Otherwise our products almost we are like managing our like all the with along with the costs, cost of goods, and also what is the value of our like all it adds to our pricings, and accordingly we price regularly. Yeah.
Just to add on to this, like Dev Kumarji pointed out, the industry is huge. So even the top, the top competitor, like with probably like 10 times the revenue, would only be able to capture the 3% of the market share of the specific crop that they drive most of the revenue from. So we are talking about that huge of a market here. And because Unisem has control over their germplasms, etc., they can control the price for themselves.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for answering that. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Subodh Joshi. He's asking what factors have driven revenue and profitability growth in recent years.
So just to answer that particular question, there are 2 to 3 points that I wanted to highlight. As now the company is putting themselves into the field crop area as well. So like the if you see the in the stub period, the company has done a good amount of sales, that is around 51 CR, and out of that only 11 crore sales has been done from the maize only. Okay, sorry, 17 crore sales has been done from the maize only. The second thing is that the company has also expanded its dealer and distributor network. So this dealer and distributor network also helps the company to capture the more geographical location, more farmers, to connect with the more customers. This also result in the growth of the company. The other factors is the discount scheme that company internally launched with the dealer and distributor network. This build the confidence with their dealer network and help us to get more sales or achieve more sales. So these are the few of the common factors that will help us the company to grow their sales in the recent year.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Sudeep Shastri. He's asking, what is your target customer segment? Farmers, distributors, or institutions?
Our target customers, end users are farmers through distribution channel network. We work closely with the farmers network. We go with the multi-location trials of our hybrids along with the checks of peer hybrids. We go with like all the trials, different stages of the trials, and we go with multi-location trials, and we show it for the show it to the farmers and dealers, distributors in the area, in the region, all the level, all the area. We go with all these things, and then thereby we generate our marketing network. So thereby we are targeting our farmers, and through distributors we go for the business. Like,
Just to add on that part, company basically do the educational activities with the farmers, and they also bring their dealer distributor network to get them educated at how their seeds are performing. Okay, this builds a confidence with the dealer and distributor network, and the company only sell their products via their dealer and distributors only. They do not sell it to the end user, that is the farmer at this moment.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Miss Nisha Barot. She's asking, how seasonal is your business and how do you manage working capital cycles?
yeah, okay.
Yeah,
So
so
on that particular part, like I just wanted to answer. So yes, seasonality is a factor that company experiences. So I want to answer this question in the terms of quarter. So quarter 1 and quarter 3 is one of the good season that company enjoys, irrespective of the quarter 2 and quarter 3. As these are the initial starting season of the Rabi and Kharif crop, so company experience a higher sales rather than the other 2 quarters. On the part of managing the working capital cycle, the company has a credit period for their dealer and distributor network, as there are multiple discount schemes that are also running on the back end basis. So company allows a credit period for their dealers to collect the payment from the farmers, and then give it to the company. And the inventory cycle, as the company has to grow their seeds 1 year back before supplying it to the market. But so the company do a thorough internal analysis to project the next year sales. Then they produce the goods accordingly and store it into a set condition under their warehouses. Then they supply their seeds onto the different geographical location to the dealer and distributor network, and this develop their base. So yes, the company manages these working capital along with the mix of their inventory cycle and the debtors days and the creditor days.
And I think on the managing working capital cycle part also, in agriculture space and specifically for Unisem, for crops like maize and paddy, they have certain agreements in place where they also get upfront advance from the dealer distributors, sometimes up to 100%. So that is how they go through
Yes.
their working capital cycle.
Okay, thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. Uh, the next question is from Mr. Sumit Pawar. He's asking, which states or regions offer the highest growth potential?
There are three main states for a higher revenue, like one is MP, Telangana, and Bihar. Once we go with most next coming years, Bihar is going to be number one. Like all these three states, now they contribute more towards our revenue. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Ms. Lavanya Balakrishnan. She's asking, how sustainable are current margins given industry competition?
Yeah, current margins, like we get normally the gross margins, like for vegetables around like 50% and field crops around 35%. It all depends on the like our product portfolio and product performance also. It is going to increase as by larger scale of like sales, by reducing our fixed cost. We are going to achieve that margins in the greater stage. Like.
So
So
just
yes, please, Simran.
Yeah. So right now the company already has its presence in 16 states with around 1100 distributors. So the current margins are forecasted and predicted to be increased because they already have their presence set across, and now that they're increasing their presence in paddy and maize, they already have that set base. So right now the margins should it would be opposite; they'd be increasing quite a bit.
Yes, so just to add on that part, as there are in the terms of margin, so in the vegetable crops, the margin are slightly lower rather than the field crop margin. So now the company is expanding their foots into the field crop area as well. So in the upcoming future or in the upcoming years, the company will experience better margins rather than they have experienced in their earlier years.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Ritesh Nair. He's asking, how do you plan to expand your distribution network going forward?
Presently, the distribution network channels, even we are not meeting like 1 or 2, 3% in some distribution channel network. We have a huge scopes, for the existing network first, and also for the neighboring, like expanding our dealer and distributor network for the untapped market. We are entering by like very like our surveys. Every year we do get surveys from all the regions and from the top and from the bottom of the like network. So this one, and also we are going to expand our business across India also, like already started Nepal, and we are going to aggressively in Nepal, and for Bangladesh through distribution channel network we are like doing our business, and we are going to expand our business through like in African countries in the near future, because our products almost they are we are getting very good trial results across other countries also.
Okay,
On that
thank you.
addition, if we see the trend of the company also, so like from FY23 also, the company has exclusively experienced an increase in their dealer and distribution base. This is because of the discount scheme that the company offers to their dealer distributor. The second reason would be the result that the crops are giving to the end users. So this also builds the confidence of the dealer distributor to sell the seeds of the Unisem. The third one is the over the mouth marketing that the dealers communicate within their community. So these help the company to appoint more dealer and distributor, expand into the geographical region and reach more customers.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Yash Mistry. He's asking, are there plans to enter new crop segments or hybrid varieties?
Yeah, all the hybrid, we are dealing with major hybrid varieties for especially maize hybrid varieties. And for paddy, we are going with little bit hybrids, and also for more selections, we are going.
Yeah. Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Nishant Sharma. He's asking, what is your strategy to maintain or improve margins?
Straight away, it is to know like
For
increase
this,
our.
again also.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah. No, as you know, when we are adding this corn and paddy, and going forward, we are also going to add other crops. So definitely the top line will increase, and same time whatever the fixed costs are there. So gradually it will reduce over the next 2 3 years. So with that, we will definitely increase our EBITDA and PAT.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question.
Yeah, so just to add on that particular points, Kiran, few more things. So as I told that now the company are expanding into the field crop regions, and there are the margins that are relatively high rather than the vegetable crops. So this is one of the strategies that the company is adopting to increase their margins. Second thing is the geographical expansion. As Devakumarji told, that company is planning to go to the international markets. So international markets allow us a better margins rather than the Indian market. So this would be the second strategy that the company will adopt in the near future to increase their margin.
Also, our fixed cost will not no increase like as our top line increases. With the existing network, we try to do more revenue, and thereby fixed costs like maintaining fixed cost to the some extent. Like, yeah.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. So the next question is from Miss Dia Patel. She's asking, how scalable is your current business model as volumes increases?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on that particular thing, so Ms. Dia, see, the business model that a company has is the continuous R&D. First thing, the second one is the processing thing. So the current setup of the processing plant is capable enough to cater the sales of the upcoming years for at least 3 to 4 years. As the business volume increases, then also. The second one is the R&D. So the continuous R&D is the need of this particular industry, because developing the new hybrids is a very you can say a important factor for the company, because they are the new hybrids that will be launched by the competitor as well, or there was a increase in the change in the geographical conditions or into the weather as well. So to compete with all of these factors as well, the continuous R&D that was added by the company will help the company to increase their sales also in the future.
Yeah, once the product is evolved and commercialized, it is a there is a continuous process. Every year we have a like R&D setup with the like net houses, poly houses for to get the more seasons in a year, at least minimum 2 seasons in a year to get the like results, and also to continuously efforts are making to improve the present and running hybrid, and also pipeline hybrids on the line, so that our will not miss any market sales or something. It is all connected to our market research, market analysis, market survey. Based on that market research oriented breeding we are doing. So this is what we always do.
Yes, and just to add on that part, any hybrid that was developed by the companies at least stay into the market for 4 to 5 years. So the model that the company has developed over the past is really very helpful till date for the company growth, and doesn't let down the company in any moment into the different climatic conditions or the geographical conditions that they have experienced till now.
Yeah, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Shantanu Oza. He's asking, do you see export opportunities in neighboring or overseas market?
Yeah, there is a huge opportunity overseas. Yeah, the opportunities are there. Even
So
neighboring countries. So neighboring countries, we have a huge opportunities and also overseas.
So
so
already Unisem, like Dev Kumarji earlier in the presentation and again during the Q&A mentioned that we've already started in Nepal, Bangladesh and countries in Africa and are planning to expand more over there.
yes, and the company is also planning to go into the Sri Lankan portion as well. So yes, the neighboring countries would lead us a good demand for our developing seeds, and this will help the company to establish their roots into the international markets.
Yeah, one positive point is that total Bangladesh and Nepal, they all depends on Indian seed like major from the Indian seed industry only they get the supply from India. This is what we have a better advantage over others. Like, yeah.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Yash Mistry. He's asking, how long does it take to commercialize a new seed variety?
Yeah,
Okay, so
normally, yeah, please.
yes, sir. Thank you so much. So, Shakir, it takes at least 3 to 4 years for a launch of any new seed variety. As the company do a huge process of R&D on the back end thing, so it comes with the multiple stages. As the company first do the cross pollination of the crops, then they develop a hybrid seed, then they it go for the different kind of testing, for example moisture testing, germination testing, testing into some universities to check the health of the particular seeds, what is the size of the product that we are getting, the size of the leaves, the color of the product. So there are multiple factors that are tested on the back end basis, and when all the tests are being passed, then only the company get their new hybrid that is ready to launch into the market, because these hybrids that the company develops will also test into the multiple geographical locations to know that whether this particular seed is ready to adopt that kind of climatic conditions or the soil conditions of that particular area or not. And if it fails, then the company do not launch that such seed into these geographical locations.
Yeah, to
Devakan,
add to
do you
this,
want to add some more points?
yeah, we add to this. No, to add to this, we have a very good germplasm in our kitty, like in the R&D, with all the no given tested traits. Whatever we need to go for like a new products and like that, and we will be having more of the to get a two three one or two three hybrids. We'll go for thousands of new crosses, and that will give enormous strength to our R&D, so that there will be study of our parentals, and also the hybrids. Those hybrids will be checked from the beginning itself, from the nursery stage itself. We will check with the competitors hybrids, whatever leading hybrids across geographical area and across regions. All those checks are planted along with our hybrids, the running hybrids and pipeline hybrids, and also the new hybrids which are evolved for the nursery trials. Then thereby we go for the second and third trials. If some hybrids clicks over from the nursery itself, we directly parallelly we go for multi-location trials and also the RBD trials in the stations. So these two, three lines, we want to fast track our hybrids, so that we also go for 2 to 3 seasons in a year by using technology, and also like net houses, polyhouses. So all these breeding techniques we use, and we see that our hybrids are fast tracked, and also by pipeline, once the hybrid is evolved and then the same segment will be having number of hybrids behind, to trials across, and also to get ready for the next level, like next launching. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Miss Rasika. She's asking, what are the primary objectives for raising funds through this IPO?
This is for working capitals majorly. because our capex almost we have a very good processing plant recently come up, and no need for the investment for the power further. It's a major is our production to get to sale for the next year. We need to produce 1 year back only. For the next year sales, we have to get prepared this year only. So for that, for next year sales, we go for productions in this year, then this cycle, at least 1 year, one season, we have to go ahead with the production process. And also we have to go with the like procurements and also testings. For that we need to use money for our working capital. It's a major our for growth is our working capital only, like.
Yes, and so basically there are two objectives. As one of the objectives Devakonaji told is the working capital requirement, and second one is the repayment of some of the banking facilities. As now the company is planning to get rid of some their big loans, from some term loans that we have taken to develop the new facility. And as Devakumarji told, that company has to just develop their inventory 1 year before they have to supply into the market. And now the company is experienced to increase their revenue and increase into the geographical locations. So company needs some funds to give to the farmers, get their seeds developed, and then supply it into the market for better sales and better margins.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Chirag Panchal. He's asking, how does the company attract and retain technical and agronomy talent?
Yeah, for the products, actually, we test for the means across like geography, and we test our hybrids. We test our germplasm first of all with all like our strength in the R&D core strength, and we test our all the hybrids now across all the geographic regions, and also to have like to sustain our any disease tolerance, and for transportability, for higher yield, to combat with heat set. All these sets are taken care, and also testings are done in between, and then we specifically for the specified segment wise like market, we go for the sales of our new hybrids.
Dev Kumar ji, maybe you'd also
Yes.
like to highlight over here about how so many of your talents have been with the firm for more than 6, 7, 11 odd years on the
Sorry.
technical side.
Yes, so similar. I just wanted to add some points that Devakumaji missed to tell. So, Mr. Chirag, see, the thing is the exposure that these breeders get with us is one of the first factors that help us to retain these talent. As the breeders get the free hand to perform the research that they wanted to develop a better hybrid, they also got a set environment, a set R&D land to develop the multiple seeds, test study the seeds that they have developed, that how they are performing. Then they got the chance to get it tried onto the multiple locations into the different geographical area to know the exact result that they are getting. So this is one of the reason that it helps the company to retain their talent. The second reason is the factor of that, as the company is developing, so and the company has very few breeders with them at this moment. So the breeders get the chance to learn with the experienced individuals who are staying into the company from last 6 to 7 years. So this give them a chance to study under a good mentorship, which helps them to grow and learn those industry factors which they might do not get in some good MNCs. So these are the few of the factors that help the company to retain their talent. On the attraction part, the company go to the multiple universities, see how the students are performing, hire them, test them for a particular period of time, and then they hire it as a breeder.
Yeah, actually, to add to this, almost 70% of the existing talents now with us, they are with us from 8 to 10 years minimum. All the top line and the regional level, higher side, higher ups, all are in the company with almost 8 to 10 years. They are with us, and they are happily doing. And it's a work very very work culture means very huge culture means we have in our company from the systems. So they enjoy work and they do. So this is what our Unisem is all about.
Thank you so much for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Shankar Verma. He's asking how sensitive are profits to changes in raw material or seed procurement costs?
Yeah, it is there. Marginally, every year there will be some small increase in costings because of our strong, supply chain network. We have a strong hold on our regular vendors, so they are there with us from the since long years. They know the company's policy and the support they get from the company also, and there is no drastic changes in any based on. Seasonal or some done toward this thing, but maybe somewhere we may get some yields are getting less or something like that. For that we have all the contingency plans, all these experience, all these years experience, it is counted here. And we have a very good strong network of the vendors channel, and according to that means according to the market scenario, we do increase some small level wherever it is necessary. So not much disturbance in cost.
So just to add
Thank
on
you
on
for
that particular thing, yes, Mr. Shankar, as the raw material or the seed is the one of the major cost of our company, so increase in the price would surely impact onto the profit margins. But the understanding that they have developed over the period of time with the farmers to whom the seeds are growing, so they do not experience much rise in the price of the raw material in the upcoming few years as well.
Okay.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Miss Diya Patel. She's asking, what are the company's key priorities over the next 3 to 5 years?
So yes, so key priorities of the company is first thing is the getting entered into the feed crop market. It was a very huge industry that is yet to be taken care by our company, and there are very good amount of demand that was present into the market, and the company really wanted to grab that opportunity and grow with according to that. The first thing is the key priority is that. Second priority is the this expanding the product portfolio of the company, as the product portfolio will give us the edge over the market to present into more varieties and supply more type of crops over to a same farmer as well. So this will help result into the sales or growth of the company. The third reason is the geographical expansion. As the company, as the MD told that the company is planning to go into the international market as well. So expanding into the geographical regions will also be one of our priority in the upcoming future.
Yeah, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Bimal Gandhi. He's asking, are there plans to invest in digital platforms for farmer engagement or sales tracking?
Yeah, digital actually we are using it for our branding, and also with also social medias and something. Digitalization, some dealer distributors, they are locally, they are through uh, uh, social media, they also sell their thing. But we also have the large scale plan near future, but as of now it is only through distributor channel.
Okay. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Vedant Shetty. He's asking, what role does technology play in the seed development and testing?
Yeah, there is actually technology is very very coming years, and also all these years, no, it has contributed to seed development very much. So, for example, whenever we go with uh, hybridization and selecting of hybrids, we go for the testing of traits any tolerance for wilt, any tolerance for the diseases. All these things are traced by technology only through DNA tracing, and also for our testings for grower test for the purity, we are going for the electrophoresis test, and thereby we are getting the results of the physical purity levels within 15 to 20 days. So these technologies now like improving a lot for this thing. And also in maize there is a DH technology, some outsourcing opportunities are there. It will reduce our like 3 to 4 seasons, it reduces our no getting a new hybrids also. There are many technologies are coming in. And for production process there are continuous improvement in technology, like using of net houses, using of mulchings, and using of all the irrigation methods, and using of micro fertilizers. All these things are coming up, and it is helping seed industry as a whole.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Amardeep Dosanjh. He's asking what regulatory risks does the seed industry face in India?
As such, for vegetables and even in field crops, there is not much except your cotton. Cotton seed sale is as a regulatory like restrictions like in India. Otherwise, all other crops are not so like. It is only we need to have the compliances in place and all the licenses are in place, and we need to get the licenses. And also in some states, we need to get the universities trial results to go for the product registration. All these things are we are doing.
Okay. Next question. The next question is from Miss Chaitanya Deshpande. She's asking how exposed is the company to changes in government agri policies?
Government agri policies, they give like a support price or minimum support price. All these things are there definitely, which helps for like especially for rice. They have got this MSP, minimum support price. And for maize crop, there is going to be like this ethanol production and ethanol the government they are promoting this ethanol in a huge way. So thereby this crop is going to be number one like key product in the seed industry also, like. So there are many like reasons like this. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. So Mr. Chirag Panchal is asking how does the company ensure ethical practices and transparency in dealings with the farmers and distributors?
So as a Unisem, it's very highly transparent with our team also. Like we, whenever we go for the budgetings, we involve all the line people, and also totally companies transactions will be like known to the all the people in the industry. Like, and also for the dealer distributors, we will have clear pricing policies, and also what they must pass on to the end user. That we are monitoring in all the areas, that they should pass it on to all the like distributors should pass it on to dealers or retailers, and they should pass it on to farmers as a finally the farmers, because they are the key people, and we are here to serve the Indian farming community. And as a background of agriculture and agriculture technology, we are here to see that our farmers gets many more benefits out of this.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Nikunj Patil. He's asking, how does the company handle changes in farmer preferences and demand patterns?
Yeah, we have every monthly updates across India. We have different stages of like meetings and also updates. Regularly, we are going to get the changes, whatever changes happens in the market in the like market segment wise. And also moreover, we are planning. We are almost breeding and adapting our our hybrids are adapting to but many regions like. For example, you take one tomato, it suits for south and also for the north, and many states it goes. If some states we have no less rains or no rains or heavy rains, there is a delay. Then we are making this like all those our like contingency plan will be having, and we'll sell those like in other seasons also we have, especially for vegetables, we have 2 to 3 seasons in the line. So if Kharif season it doesn't work good, and we'll definitely sell in Rabi seasons. And also we have very good, keeping facilities to have our inventory in a good shape also. And
Okay,
also
thank you for
example,
answering.
one example is for maize, one maize is there at we are selling in MP. If something fails in May, June, there is a season. Something fails, that will we will enhance our this thing in Tamil Nadu, because Tamil Nadu season is from August, September. So we have total. We are operating in 16 states, so that we have an ample of facility to diverse our uh, targets, and also see that our targets met.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Miss Dia Patel is asking, what are the key challenges faced in the seed production and sourcing?
Yeah, seed production quality is very very important, special the supply chain aspects. So whenever we go with the productions, actually we are working with regular network, where the farmers networks are fixed almost, and we have where the skilled labors are there, and where the area is known for the quality productions, and also the area where we have also the control over, and also the distribution, and our vendor channel partners are very strong. So all these years they are also with us, for supporting, and thereby we are getting and also we are monitoring periodically over the all the stages in production area and in the seed production. And it is all with the testings, and with all periodical testing, so in the different stages we go for procurements of the uh, produced hybrids only.
So just to add on that part, so few of the challenges as Deva Kumarji told, I just wanted to highlight them. The thing is that key company has to first find out the farmers who have the skilled labors to grow such kind of hybrid seeds on a mass level. So like finding out of that farmer base is one of the key challenge first that company faces. Second one is the quality of the seeds. As the company staff go on a very time to time basis to check the quality of the hybrid that they have given should matches with the this mass production seeds that the farmers are developing. If the quality is not as per our standards, then the company will not take seed from that particular farmer. Okay, so checking the quality and checking the health of the seed time to time is one of the key challenges that company face before sourcing it finally from the farmer.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Sumit Pawar. He's asking, how has your gross margin trend evolved, and what factors influence it most?
So gross margins always, like our cost of COGS, and also all the expenses are taken into consideration. Once the COGS is fixed, and what is USP of that particular product, and which segment is going, and which area it is going, what is the competitive pricings across the same segment in that different given area. All these things are taken into consideration, and year by yearly we have that pricing policy, and see that all the many means second line peoples are involved for the brainstorming session, and see that what else we can do, and what is the methods to go for better pricings, and all those things we'll do this.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Miss Nisha Barod. She's asking, what are the key risks related to monsoon dependency?
Yeah, it's monsoon dependency is very crucial in agriculture. So it is huge. Whenever it is there, there is a delay in sowings, and sometime there is no sowings may get delayed, and sowings may get reduced. All these things are there for the monsoon related. And we are actually for monsoon, we are breeding to sustain many things like some area it should withstand no excess rains. Some area it should withstand no less rains and less irrigation facilities. And also in same area because of heat created, there will be a disease outbreak, and there is we are breeding for no like disease tolerance. So all these things we are taking into considerations, and also as I was mentioning, we are working in a total across India in all the regions. If one region fails, and we are immediately will be having our contingency plan and rebudgeting works will be done. All these things we are taking into consideration and see that our budgets are met.
Okay. Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Sir Samar Dalal says looking forward to the IPO. Shankar Panchal says all the best. I think, yeah, Shreya Desai says best wishes. Yeah. So I think we
Thank
have
you.
covered most of the questions here. So
Thanks
thank you.
everyone for the wishes.
Yeah.
And thanks for the
All the best.
Thank
questions
you
as
all.
well.
Thank you all. Your beautiful questions we got. Really uh, in-depth knowledge. Maybe don't know how they have developed, but it's very. You are very happy to answer all these questions. Thank you all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was a very interactive session, and we are happy to
Thank
answer
you.
all the
Thank you
questions
all.
that you have asked.
Yeah. Thank you and all the
Thank you all for
best. Yeah.
asking all relevant questions. Very good. Thank you.